Let us discover the installation of the parent app in your Android devices. Open the Play Store and search for SIPSNITYA. Click on the Install button. It may take a little time. Once the installation is over, click on Open. It will prompt for permissions. Please allow the same. Now the app will open. Please enter your registered mobile number here. If the registered number is configured properly at school, it will take you to the next step. Sometimes, unfortunately, registered mobile number may give an error like, "The number is not available in our database," etc. Please don't worry about the same. If you are doubtful, you can try with another mobile number. Else please scroll down. Here you can get connected with our support team over a WhatsApp chat. Click on Help over WhatsApp button. It will open the WhatsApp in your phone and prompt for your query. Please provide maximum possible information, like student name, class or section, and school name, etc. Our support team will assist you to get this problem resolved. If your mobile number is registered with us, then it will accept and take you to the Get In screen. Here you have to provide the mobile number again. If you are first-time user, then it will ask you to create a PIN. Create a PIN of your choice. You will also receive an OTP. Please provide the received OTP. User activation has happened and it will take you to the login screen where you can give mobile and PIN to activate your device. Future logins won't ask this if the app is frequently used. Please contact our support channel or the institutional officials for any assistance.